Ever struggled to gain muscle, no matter how hard you train? I remember hitting the gym daily, but my progress stalled. No matter what I ate, my weight just wouldn't budge. Frustration grew as my gains plateaued, feeling stuck and demotivated. I tried countless diets and supplements, but nothing truly worked. Scrolling through fitness forums, I saw people raving about weight gainers. Curious, I researched the top-rated products everyone was talking about. That's when I discovered these 10 game-changing weight gainers. One product caught my eye, MuscleMeds Mass Vegan, so clean and simple. Only 3 premium ingredients, perfect for a minimalist, transparent approach. Another standout was MuscleMeds Carnivor Mass, packed with beef protein isolate. Zero sugar, lactose, or gluten, ideal for sensitive athletes like me. BSN True Mass offered a delicious chocolate milkshake flavor, making gains enjoyable. Optimum Nutrition. Serious Mass delivered massive calories and protein per serving. I love the high-impact carbs for faster recovery and muscle growth. With MuscleTech 100% Mass Gainer, I finally saw my weight increase. The extra creatine and carbs boosted my strength and energy instantly. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Pro. Gainer made post-workout nutrition effortless. Mutant Mass's bold design motivated me to push harder every session. Dematize. Supermass Gainer gave me the calories I desperately needed. MuscleTech Mass Tech Extreme transformed my physique with rapid muscle gains. Suddenly my body responded. Muscle mass increased, strength soared. My confidence grew as I finally broke through my plateau. No more feeling stuck. These products made healthy bulking achievable. I realized expert insights and quality ingredients made all the difference. Now, I hit my fitness goals faster and more efficiently than ever. Are you tired of slow progress and endless frustration? Ready to transform your journey with the best weight gainers? Don't wait. Your dream physique is just one decision away. Which product will help you crush your fitness goals this year? Click the link in the description to find out more. Drop a comment below and start building your ultimate body today.